Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, we are going to walk through how to apply a visit visa to visit Tonga. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, when it comes to apply visit visa or any kind of visa for a country, the very first thing you need to determine that do you really need a visa? Because based on your purpose, nationality, and duration, or any combination of these, you may or may not need a visa. And once you determine, you should always check the requirements, latest requirements as per the location or as per the embassy, consulate, whatever that's covering you. So the very first thing I have done here is I have opened this Ministry of Revenue and Customs site. They have said that visitors entitled to visa-free entry or visa on arrival for 30-day visitor visa on arrival. Okay, so these are the countries. Then citizens of all other countries need visa to enter Tonga prior to arrival. A genuine visitor visa for okay. A genuine visitor intending to visit Tonga for a period of not less than 30 days is required to obtain an entry permit by the department prior to arriving in Tonga. Tonga. Okay, fine. And this can be extended also, and they have some other condition. That's fine. Now, how you will apply? So that again depends on your location. For example, this is the Tonga Consulate General in USA, San Francisco. So they have the visa section. So they have given the requirements. So these are the countries, those who do not require visa. And if you need a visa, these are the important things. Okay. Like checklist if you open. Visitor permit. It's very simple to fill up. Name, surname, date of birth, other things, passport information, visit details, contact details, declaration. Okay. General return ticket, sufficient funds, of course. All right. So with this, like after you fill this up, we have a checklist also. Yeah. So application form is there, reason, okay, signature, but in most of the cases, it's not even required. Itinerary, evidence of visas. Applications can be submitted to fax number, alternate can submit over internet. Wow, you can apply on email also. Okay. All right. And this visa fee can be paid on arrival. Okay. Paid in advance also. Wow. That's good. All right. So it's very simple process that you can use. And with this, you can get a visa if you really need to. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.